Hello! Google Analytics is one of the most useful tools you can use to analyze the traffic and opportunities for marketing your website and products. If you are facing Google Analytics for first time, maybe it will be really useful for you if you have a broader look at first glance in order to feel more comfortable with Google Analytics. And what I will illustrate right now is Google Analytics approach in presenting data, and more specifically the order of Google Analytics sections of different types of data that's connect with your website. The sections are here in the left, and they are basically the four main sections analyzing the data. Of course, there's a few others, but now we'll look at these four, and these four are here in the middle: audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. And it's very easy to remember and to understand the Google Analytics idea by following these four sections by the meaning of each one of them. First, we have audience, and basically there is the information of about who is visiting your website. The acquisition sessions is answering the questions from where this person come from. Is it from Google? Is it from Facebook? Is it from some other source? And etc. And on the next step, we have behavior, which is basically what this user do on your website, what kind of pages are looking, how many time it stays on your website, where he or she is clicking, and etc. And on the last four section, we have conversions, and basically it answers the question whether this user buy your product or your services. So it's very easy to remember the Google Analytics approach and your own approach of analyzing data by remembering these four questions: who visited your website, from where this person come from, what is the behavior of the person on your website, of the visitor on your website, and is this visitor converting in client when visiting your website. In audience, you can see there is really a lot of data and a lot of options. And just quick, I will click on overview just to have some visual idea what the information in this section is about. And it's about sessions, users, how many people visited your website, and what kind of data like language, country of origin, city, browser, operating system, etc. And in the next lessons, we'll get deeper in this section. Let me just show you the acquisition overview. Here you have the basic knowledge about from where the visitor of your website come from. You can see it could be direct, referral, social traffic, it could be organic search from Google or other search engines with some additional information about the bounce rate, page per session, and average session duration. All these terms will look deeply in the next lessons. And next we have behavior. Here are basically all the pages of your website with the data about the users that visited these pages, and you can see the time they spent on the page, the bounce rate, the exit rate, and the page views of each of the pages of your website. And again, we will look this data deeper in the next lessons. And the last for us, our big four, it's conversion section. We have overview, and here you can see what kind of source of traffic converting best, and of course to see how much are your conversions, and you can then compare with offline conversions on or other statistic you have. Here you can see these are the traffic sources and the percentage of they are converting, and you could make conclusion about on which traffic source to put more efforts and to bring more visitors from it in order to increase sales, etc. And again, in the next lessons we'll learn more about these sections.